Happy Thanksgiving. It's the first snowstorm of the end of 2014. That's how you make a parking spot for a Jeep. Just go back and forth up the hill a few times. Don's over here shoveling. Dig out the wife's car. I don't care about the van, we'll just drive it over it. We're gonna have another fire. Because we have absolutely no power in the house, and it's been that way since 2:30 this morning. Got some stuff here, but Dawn's gonna bring over a bunch of dry stuff. Be nice if I had power to do something, but I have power to do nothing. It does look kind of bright in here. Not really. Look how rusty that is. Woo. Yeah, we're just gonna have a fire. What do you do? Not a big deal, but when we pulled this engine out, this stud came out with it. It's in the bucket right here. But this one didn't come out, so I also did the double nut trick and got that off. And I mean, it is so cold out here. When I churned this thing, you could see the heat generated because it was stuck. I double nutted it, and by the time I got it out, man, it was smoking. But I'm going to see if I can, wish I had a 36 millimeter to get that off. I don't. So I think I'm going to split the case. It's kind of gooky. We'll see. Just got the oil screen off, and I'm looking in here. There's a couple little doodads, but nothing crazy.
Tastes good. Let's smell it. Don't eat the yellow snow.
So I just about beaten the hell out of this thing, and so much it dished out the flywheel. Look at that, Don.
Cool.
Got it out though.
Cool.
I put the flathead in the back and slide it up the side here and just tap, tap, tap and turn it, and I finally got the damn thing off. It's going right in the trash pile. Trash pile! I have an oil pump, 2 flathead screws, and then I can split the case. It's already puking what's left for oil, see it?
Yep.
All the bolts are out. This one, the whole stud came out, but that's okay. I'm gonna have tappets and shit everywhere. Alright, we need a big flathead for that one and that one. And then the oil pump. Got Don shoveling my driveway. He's bored. We're having a fire. I have been dying to get this piece off since I started taking this thing apart, and that pulley would not let me do it. So that screws out, that screws out. Bing! One little piece of rusty tin. I won't throw it out because you can always clean stuff up, but I'll put it with the cylinder tin for now. Look at how gooky this is. I have 2 13s, and I have to pull that out. That's the oil pump if I can get that puppy out. It's all soaked in WD-40. One bolt rusted in the case, and we're just going to take the whole stud out. But it's slow progress. Probably come apart now, but what the hell, we're there, right? Damn thing out. It's going. Yeah, it's so close I can just grab it and turn it, but you can't. Yay! Look, it's already starting to separate. Alright, till tomorrow.